Hello everybody, I'm Sarah Lavoie with Mach7 Technologies, and I'm here with Tony Palmer, who's the VP of Engineering. So Tony, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your history with Mach7?
All right, I've been with Mach7 since pretty much the beginning of Mach7 in the US. I came from an engineering background and was brought on to start the professional services organization for Mach7. So it was a bit of a change for me. It was an experience that I was looking forward to, having that more direct contact with customers and building up the service organization for Mach7 that we have today that is, from its beginning, listening to what customers need and being able to provide the tools that not only the service organization needs, but the tools that provide that to the customer for a quick, responsive implementation process.
Awesome. Well, we're here today. We wanted to talk a little bit about a report that was just released from an analyst group, IDC, and the report was a vendor assessment of VNAs, where they looked at several top VNA vendors, and Mach7 was classified as a leader, their top category, which we're really excited about it. And I thought it would be interesting to talk about some real-world examples of some of the highlighted qualities that they brought out. The patient-centric design, the functional flexibility, interoperability, and our collaborative team approach. So I thought maybe can you share some real-world examples of those qualities in action?
Sure. The aspects of the whole product have been designed from the ground up with the interoperability as its core. An imaging platform like the Mach7 enterprise imaging platform provides connections to so many components, DICOM, non-DICOM, XDS, and as well as providing a clinically relevant solution for all types of ologies. So to build that into a complete solution that makes sense to all users, all service members, to allow for that solid implementation and to meeting those customers' needs, all tie together from that core of where we started, of listening to the customer, building the important components from the beginning, meeting our service organization's needs, and sticking with those core components and adding as we've grown. So the patient-centric aspects of building the patient portal are just a natural extension of that platform.
Right, and the image sharing, that is a relatively new product of ours.
Exactly, the image sharing. I see the industry moving more and more towards what technology provides, and image sharing is a natural extension of that. The access to all aspects of a patient's process journey should be accessible to a patient. I mean, we're seeing a shift in the industry towards a more patient-centric focus.
Absolutely.
We're all paying for that, and we should all expect that type of access.
Right. Well, I think people are more invested in their healthcare, and they want access to their records.
Yes, it should be.
And I think it's to the image sharing. The tools are out there for so that they don't have to have the burden of carrying a CD and worrying if the CD is going to work at the site. So.
Totally agree.
All right. Well, I think that's it. I appreciate your time, Tony. Great to talk with you. And thank you for joining us. And hope you all have a wonderful day.
Thank you.